Hi everyone, this is the second video that you should be watching. You should have already watched the introduction to the motor effect video, so I'm going to talk you through now how to do Fleming's left hand rule. You should have a hand, your left hand, this looks like my right hand, but it's my left hand because it's a left hand rule, and a pen. You should write on your first three fingers, your thumb, your first finger and your second finger or centre finger. And each one of these is going to represent a different quantity. We are going to put our hand in a position and then we are going to be able to move it round, and we're going to be looking, if we know the direction of the magnetic field and we know the direction of the current, which way does our thumb point? Because our thumb in this will represent the force on the wire. So let's get writing. First thing you're going to write on your thumb, I write force. Now you could write motion or thrust. Some people write, but I always think that force, sorry, I know it's backwards for you. That is on your left thumb and a little arrow. So force and a little arrow. On your first finger, you are going to write field. So your first finger, you are going to write field. So you've got force and field. Also on that first finger, I would like you to do N arrow S. So that's field, N arrow S. And that's basically telling us that the field always points from north to south. So force and field. Second finger, your middle finger, is your current. And it points from positive to negative. So can you see that? I know it's backwards again. Current, and I've done positive to negative. So I've got force, field, and current. Now, we need to get our hand into the right position. So what you are going to do is you are going to make a finger gun, classic finger gun. So you've got your thumb pointing up and your first finger pointing at the screen, as if you're going to shoot me. So make a gun. Then I want you to get your middle finger, your second finger, and you are going to put it out. Now please notice there is a right angle here. So can you see all of these are at right angles? So it's not like these two are here, they are at a really crisp right angle. So what you want to remember is gun, pow, gun, pow. And if you want to actually write that when you are doing your notes on the next bit, gun, pow, that's absolutely fine. I quite often get people to write that. So you've got your thumb representing the force, your first finger representing magnetic field, and your second finger, your middle finger, representing the current. Now just a reminder, what you are going to do is arrange your hand in different positions. So it's always going to be in this position, but you can point it in different ways, okay? If you find you're here and you're trying desperately to get to a certain way and you're like, oh, my arm doesn't switch, may I suggest you point that way? So try that way, try this way, okay? So, but either way, it's always got to be in that gun pow position. It's just that you're moving it round to different directions. Right, lovely. Thank you very much.